Hello students, hope you all are good. Okay students, now I'm going to start with our next lesson, that is a synopsis, the Swiss Family Robinson, and it is given on page number 5 of our textbook. Okay, now I'll tell you what is synopsis. This synopsis means it is summary of only main point of the story. Synopsis means summary. Actually this story contains a lot of passage and lot of part, so only one part of the story is given in this lesson. So this story is related to a name of a boy Robinson. He was from Switzerland, was related to Switzerland, and this whole story is about the family of the Robinson. So okay, actually Swiss Family Robinson, it is a well-known adventurous novel, and many people from countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years to read. It has also been made into graphic novels and films. Okay, so the story which contained in this, the people used to love to read the story, and they have read this story many times. From 200 years they were reading this story. Actually this story is about all adventures. Well, now what is adventure? Means all the dangerous tasks the people takes and they do, not only lawfully, directly the adventurous task. So this story is about an adventures of the family who has suffered in a cyclone. So this story is about that. Actually, sorry student, not cyclone, in a storm. This family has suffered from storm. So how the story is given in this, how they have suffered, they have actually told us all the story in this lessons. Okay, now I will start from here. Now listen, William, Elizabeth and their children had been traveling in a ship. William is the name of a father and Elizabeth is the name of mother, and their children, and they along with their children had been traveling into a ship. They were traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm, and the ship was caught in a great storm. When ship was caught in a great storm, who were traveling? William means father, Elizabeth mother and their children. Okay, when the other passengers evacuated, the other passenger means they jumped from the ship to rescue them from the storm. William and his family including the young children, then William and his family including the young children, and who are the children? Actually the other family who were also traveling in that ship, they, what do? They evacuated, means they have jumped into they left the ship to save themselves. Okay, now see who are their children. Fritz is a first boy, second Ernest, third Jack and Franz. Means William and Elizabeth were having 4 children, and what were their name? First one is Fritz, second Ernest, then Jack and Franz. Okay, means Fritz was the elder son and Franz is younger one. Okay, and they were left to survive alone, in the ship. They weathered the great storm, means they suffered the great storm in the ship. The ship survived the night and the family found themselves within sight of a tropical desert. The ship survived whole night in the storm, and then the next day morning the family found themselves near the tropical desert island. The next morning they decided to get to the island. They could see beyond the, okay, now what do the family decided to get the island? They have seen in the morning island is very near to them, beyond the reef, means rock and sand. Then they decided to get down there. With much effort they constructed a vessel out of tubs. And what did they do to get down? They, with much effort, they constructed a vessel out of tubs, means weapons and all, guns and all. After they filled the tubs with food and ammunition, then what did they mean? They have filled the tubs with food and ammunition and all the other articles of value. Now ammunition means any nuclear or chemical material. Okay, and all other articles of valuable they could safely carry, and all the other articles of value that they could carry. Then what did they do? They easily came down from the ship and they reached the island. Okay, the ship cargo of livestock, guns and powder, carpentry tool, books, a disassembled pinnacle, small boat, and provision had also survived. Even the provision had also survived. Over the next few days, William father, and actually they were having their one dog also with them. They were having their one dog also with them. Then what is the dog? That dog's name? Two dogs from, sorry, not one dog. They were having two dogs along with them from the ship named Turk and Juno, and that dog name was what? Turk and Juno, and they also survived with them. Then over the next few days, William means father attached the floatable old kegs. What he do? The father, after few days, he attached a floatable old kegs. Kegs means barrel. Kegs means barrel to one another. What did he do? He tied two barrels to one another and built a bow that curved around them. Curved around them. The family had landed successfully on the island. To land on the island successfully, the father had did like this. Okay, they set up tent and softened the floor. And then what did they do? They set up a tent there. They set on the island and they have softened the floor. Why they have softened the floor? Because to sleep there at the night time, they have to sleep there or stay there. So they have softened the floor and they have made a tent there. Okay, and armloads of grass they cut and spread to serve as their bed. And what did they do? The floor with actually they have spread the grass on the floor to rest there proper. They cut, spread to serve as their beds. Actually they have to make like a bed to sleep. That's why they have spread the grass on the floor. Then they came to a grove of trees. One tree grew what looked like a guard. Then what did they do? They came to a grove of a tree. So many trees were there, and they came near there. One tree, it had looked like a gourd. You know what is gourd? It is a type of vegetable, bottle gourd. Okay, it was looking like that. Okay, and they found that it's like a trunk. It's like a trunk. The father told Fritz the gourd would make excellent bowls and spoon. Then what did the father told the family? See, it will make an excellent bowl and spoons for them, because they were not having anything there, and how can they will serve themselves to eat? So they have, what did they see? They see a tree. It seems like a bottle gourd. Okay, and it is like a same trunk. So what father decided? It will serve us like a spoon and bowls. Okay, then excellent, and spoon. They cut them into various utensils. And what do? They cut that tree into a various utensils, and they have made this utensil of that, because they were having hollow inside. It was like an hollow. That's why they have made the spoons and bowls easily. After some days, Elizabeth informed William that she wanted the family to move to a safer place. Then why Elizabeth had decided to move to the safer place? Because she came to know that it was a gut feeling that yeah, somebody is danger here. If something is danger here, we have to live here. So what was that danger thing? Their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. Actually, the current place where they were living, it was not only dry but it was very hot. It was also very hot. If they built a house up on a large trees, they would be safe from jackals. And what she said, if they will make that house on the upside of the tree, means height of the trees, so they will be safe from the jackals also. They will be safe from jackals. Jackals are the animals and they belong to the family of dogs and all. So they are very dangerous to human beings. So she said we will be very safe from that also. So we have to shift our current camp. Okay. She described a perfect tree to the project. And what did she do? She described a perfect tree for the project. Mean actually which tree will be suitable for their tent. One whose trunk was nearly 40 feet a diameter. 40 feet in a diameter. She found a tree. The branches were very long and extended. So the tree is having long and extended branches. Okay. Then she explained about all the geometry. Later, when determining the height of the lower branches, the father taught the boys geometry. Then father William taught them the geometry properly. Means how to we have to take the shape of the tree and how to cut the tree in which diameter, which he has explained them properly. Then what did they do? Then they calculate angles and everything and they made a house on the tree. The man knotted a rope at certain intervals and attached pieces of bamboo in each knot. Then what they do according to them, what they find it is very good to be, then they have make that tent very properly with their own mind. Okay, father have explained them the proper geometry of the tent. Then it was the father returned to the beach and collected driftwood. Now what is driftwood? Is a floating wood, okay, floating wood. Thinking it would be perfect to build a sledge on runners rather than wheels. Okay, for a sledge, when they used to go, when they will need something from the sea, they can go on that and bring anything. Later they use it to transport materials. Okay, meanwhile Elizabeth announced the garden she had been tending was producing healthy plants. Then after that, what mother announced? She announced that garden she had been tending. She was tending a garden there because of course they will need a vegetables or fruit to eat. On island we don't get that everything to eat. So tending was producing healthy plants of corn, melons, pumpkins and cucumbers. Of what? Melons means watermelons, pumpkins and cucumbers were already growing. They were already growing. Mean actually the climate of that weather, even that weather also was good for these types of fruits and vegetables there. So she has grown that fruit and vegetable. The next day only the father and Fritz traveled to the wood. The next day what happened? The father and Fritz means Fritz was the elder son. Fritz was elder son of Elizabeth and William. So what did father and Fritz do? Exploring and finding such exotic plant as one with waxy fruit from which candles could be made. They have found one waxy tree by which they can make a candles to them to light their house. Okay, they were not having light there. Candles could be made. Fritz discovered a tree exuding a rubbery sap. What did he do? He discovered a tree exuding a rubbery sap. Means the tree which having rubbery sap, skin type. Means the skin is sap, rubbery type. From which his father claimed that they could make a boats. Okay, boots. Sorry, what? Boots mean long type of shoes. Thinking ahead of next winter, father decided to create a place safe from the element. Now see, this was the second hut. See the house on the tree, it was their second house. Now what did they think? Again they thought okay, it will be very dangerous for them ahead of next winter, because see on the island you will stay with according to the weather. Means they have to change the place according to the climate and all. Okay, or any safety about that. So father decided to create a place safe from the element and strong storage spot to protect themselves and their belonging. From their belonging also. So Fritz came up with the idea of cave. Then what? Fritz came with the idea of cave. He said okay, yes, cave will be very safe place for us to live, because see wild animals stays there and they anytime they come at the night and they will demolish our house or they will demolish human life also. So they were scared about that. So they decided, now Fritz said okay, we will make a cave. Then they didn't find any cave. So not finding any of them, they have created okay, they will make their own cave. Okay, father marked the dimension for opening and they picked away the hard surface. Then what did they do? The father find the dimension for that and they pick the hard surface. Of course hard surface will only make a cave. Okay, suppose if it is porous type or it is very not very hard one, it is very soft, we cannot make a cave. So that's why father then opening and they pick away at the hard surface with their axes, chisels, hammers and shovel. Then what do they take? Chisels, hammers and shovel. Means what do we call that in Hindi? That pavra, then kulhari and all. Over the next several days the family cut windows into rocks. Now what do over the next several days the family cut windows in the rocks and allow for cross currents of air. Of course, their windows are necessary. If they will not having windows, how they will get the sunlight, how they will get the oxygen? So they have made a windows for that, to cross current of air to come inside. And of course, for the air to come inside, they need a window also. They enter the cave. When they had finished, they had 4 rooms, and they finished. What did they do? They had 4 rooms, complete with the fireplace, and complete with fireplace also, because island is a very cool place. They now had a new winter home, and now they are having the new winter home. Means this is their third house. Okay, because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. Oppressive means very distressing. To remedy this, father and Jack rigged up a new light. To remedy of this means, of course, they need a light there. So they rigged up a new light. They found a bamboo pole that would be reached from the floor to ceiling. They found a bamboo pole, and that will be reached from the floor to the ceiling. Then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole. Then Jack climbed to the top of the. Now who is Jack? Jack is a third son. Okay, third number son. From the floor to the ceiling. After the Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. The oil lamp that they have brought from the, they have rescued from the ship. So he attached that oil lamp to that bamboo on the upside. One day they found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed. Now what did they find? They find one of the hut of their family, one of the nearest family were completely destroyed. And why did they destroy? Because of some of the wild elephant. And even around the field also they have demolished all the things. Been trampled and ruined. It was stepped out. Someone has stepped it, crushed it and ruined, destroyed it. Okay, there were huge footmarks everywhere. Father saw massive damage to trees as well as many huge footprints. Even father found very huge, massive damage to the trees as well as many huge footprints, which he identified belonging to an elephant herd. They decided whose footprints was there. Only because of that footprint, they identified that it will be a footprint of elephant herd. The next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all violence. The next day, the family decide to design a new defense. To discourage all the wild animals from entering their cultivated land. They also finalized their ideas about the new residence. Now again, because of this elephant herd, they find themselves it is very dangerous for us. Then again they decide to shift to the new house. The elephant could knock easy. They would use 4 strong trees growing square near one another as the foundation. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. Thus they built another safe home, and thus they built another. How the next family began to design a new defense, discourage all wild animals from entering the cultivated land. They also finalized their ideas about the residence, and soon they have built a new house. Okay, then 10 years passed and the young boys were now young men. Now see, so soon, so early, how many years passed? 10 years passed to them. To whom? To the family of Robinsons. And all the 4 children were now young men now, because of course they were small. They have not shown us the ages, but was the first. Then after 10 years, of course they have become the young man. Now New Switzerland, they called the island New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years. When the years was passing, many adventures occurred. Okay.